What if a single delicious drink could actually help melt away fat from your liver, safely, naturally, and without expensive supplements? Fatty liver disease affects 1 in 3 adults worldwide, and if left unchecked, it can lead to inflammation, scarring, even liver failure. But before you panic, there's one simple hero you probably already know well. Meet coffee. Studies show that regular coffee consumption is the #1 best food. Yes, we are counting beverages for reducing liver fat, protecting liver cells, and lowering your risk of cirrhosis. Here is exactly how to use it to your advantage. Why fatty liver matters. Your liver should be a fat-burning machine, but excess calories, sugars, and sedentary habits can overwhelm it, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Left alone, NAFLD can progress to non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, where inflammation and cell damage set in, raising your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and liver cancer. Later, I will share the exact cup count you need each day, and one tweak that makes coffee even more liver-friendly. 1. How coffee protects your liver. Antioxidant power. Coffee is loaded with polyphenols and hydrocinamic acids, which neutralize harmful free radicals in liver cells. Boosts metabolism. Caffeine ramps up your metabolic rate, helping your body burn fat more efficiently, including the stubborn fat stored in your liver. Reduces inflammation. Compounds like cafestol and kawul help dial down the chronic inflammation that accelerates liver damage. Stimulates autophagy. Research suggests coffee promotes autophagy, your cell's cleanup crew, clearing out damaged proteins and fat-laden droplets from liver tissue. 2. How much and when. Most studies point to 2 to 3 cups per day for optimal liver protection. Any less, and you miss out on the full benefits. Any more, and you risk jitteriness or sleep issues. Morning boost. Drink 1 cup when you wake up to kickstart fat burning early. Midday, 2nd cup. Enjoy another after lunch to maintain that metabolic edge. Optional afternoon pick-me-up. If you can handle it without disrupting sleep, a 3rd cup by 2 p.m. can lock in extra protection. 3. Maximize coffee's liver-loving potential. Choose quality beans. Go for organic, shade-grown coffee to minimize pesticide exposure and maximize antioxidant content. Skip the sugar and cream. Sweeteners and heavy creams can add calories and fat that counteract coffee benefits. Instead, try a splash of unsweetened almond milk and a dash of cinnamon. Both have their own liver-friendly compounds. Experiment with cold brew. Cold brewing reduces acidity and can preserve even more antioxidants. Plus, it's less likely to upset a sensitive stomach. 4. Pair with a liver-supportive lifestyle. Coffee is powerful, but it works best alongside other healthy habits. Move daily. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking helps your liver clear out fat. Eat colorful produce. Vegetables and fruits rich in fiber and phytonutrients support your liver, ACE detox pathways. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush toxins and keeps metabolic processes running smoothly. Common questions and answered. Q1. What about decaf? Decaf still contains many beneficial polyphenols, but because caffeine boosts metabolism, regular coffee has the edge for fat loss. Q2. Can I use instant coffee? Yes. Instant coffee still delivers antioxidants, though at slightly lower levels than freshly brewed. Aim for high-quality brands to get the best payoff. Your next steps. Brew your first cup right when you wake up. No sugar allowed. Swap your afternoon soda for a 2nd cup of coffee. Experiment with cinnamon and almond milk instead of sugar and cream. Commit to 2 to 3 cups daily and track how you feel over the next month. With consistent coffee habits and smart lifestyle tweaks, your liver will thank you by burning off that stubborn fat, lowering inflammation, and keeping you energized all day long. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.